Vertical 916 40 seconds. The last human generation. From orbit, Earth glows in 2040. Continents stitched by AI networks. Below, gigantic city-states hum as robots and holograms reshape daily life. The world evolved. Flying vehicles glide past glass towers, volumetric light beams spill through rain, and holographic dashboards hover. Hyper-realistic humans move with purpose, every street aware of the next command, your next step. Then you are back in a bedroom. You scroll on your phone. Minutes feel like years. Outside, the skyline changes and massive text burns in the sky. AI did not wait. One you fades into digital dust, trapped in endless distraction. Another you stand straighter. Entrepreneur, inventor, leader, builder. You face the echo, then walk toward a golden futuristic city. From the moon, Earthrise lifts your hope, humanity expanding into space. The future rewards builders. Aleva Daily. Epic orchestral power and bass drive urgency.